New update, how to see your first song on Spotify. Spotify Wrapped First Ever Song 2026. What was the very first song you ever played on Spotify? Thanks to a brand new update in 2026, Spotify now lets you find that exact moment, your musical origin story. If you're curious to rediscover that first track, stay right here because I'm about to show you exactly how to find it in just a few simple steps. Hey everyone, welcome back. Spotify just dropped an exciting new feature as part of the 2026 Wrapped experience, the ability to see the very first song you ever streamed on the platform. Whether you joined Spotify years ago or just recently, this feature is a fun and nostalgic trip back to where your Spotify journey began. Let's get into it step by step. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your phone. Make sure your app is fully updated to the latest 2026 version. Head to your App Store or Google Play Store and check for any pending updates before you begin, because this feature is only available on the newest version. Step 2. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type in Wrapped and look for the official Spotify Wrapped 2026 card or banner. Tap on it to open your personalized Wrapped experience. Step 3. Once inside Spotify Wrapped 2026, start swiping through your Wrapped stories. Spotify has added a dedicated new card this year specifically titled Your First Ever Song or Where It All Started. Keep swiping through the slides until you reach that card. Step 4. If you can't find it through Wrapped, try this alternative route. Go to your profile by tapping the person icon at the top right. Scroll down and look for a section called Listening History or Your Music Journey. Tap on it and Spotify will display a timeline of your earliest activity, including that very first streamed song. Step 5. Once you find your first song, tap the three-dot menu next to it. From here you can add it to a playlist, share it directly to your Instagram or WhatsApp story, or simply save it to your liked songs to remember it live. Here's your pro tip. Once you find your first song, screenshot that Wrapped card immediately. Spotify Wrapped pages are only live for a limited time each year before they get archived and become harder to access. Saving that screenshot means you'll always have your musical origin moment, no matter what happens to the feature later in the year. Bonus points if you share it and tag your friends to see their first songs too. It always sparks a great conversation. And there you go. You now know exactly how to find your very first song on Spotify using the brand new 2026 Wrapped update. From checking the Wrapped stories to digging through your listening history and saving that nostalgic moment forever. It's one of the coolest personal features Spotify has ever released. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe because we cover every major Spotify and app update as soon as it drops. And I have to ask, what was your first ever Spotify song? Drop it in the comments below. I'll be reading every single one. See you in the next video.